pala ako kalaki. So, I'm Josie Medrano, atay ng BLS. Makakatulong po ako sa inyo, ma'am. Ma'am, nabubulunan po ba kayo?
Yeah, so, introduce yourself and check if victim is choking. Sa pag-a-ask po ng question, tanungin nyo lang po yung pasyente ng yes or no. So, huwag nyo nang kamustahin. Paano po ba kayo? Kumusta ka na? Anong nangyayari sa'yo? Diba? So, sumagot si Ma'am Ashley. So, assess po natin yung severity ng choking niya. So, kapag sumagot ng may boses, mild pa. Pag mild, ano pong gagawin?
So, since sa guidelines natin, pag uubo siya, dapat at a safe distance. Mauubo po kayo, try niyo pong umubo.
Yan.
Wala pa din. Yung totoo po, ma'am.
Yung may kasama.
Yung sa problema. So, wala pa din.
Ubong mahirap.
Tapos, nahihirapan na siyang huminga. Nagpo-progress from mild, nagiging severe. Hindi na talaga siya.
Mild severe.
5 box lang.
Ano gagawin? 5?
Box lang.
So, paubuhin po muna natin yung pasyente hanggat kaya niya. Or hanggat mawalan na siya ng boses at hindi na rin siya makaubo. So, kapag hindi na siya nakakaubo at nakakapagsalita, so severe. So, mag-proceed po tayo dun sa performance. Sige. If the victim is unable to cough nor talk or nods only, so that's severe obstruction, stand to the side and slightly behind the victim. So, hindi po muna sa likod, sa side muna. And with your non-dominant hand, grab the victim's opposite arm across the chest and lean the victim forward. Then give initial 5 back slaps between the shoulder blades with the heel of one hand. Checking for foreign body every after back slap.
1.
Wala pa din. So, chini-check po natin every slap. Wala.
4, check. 5, check.
Yan. So, kunyari, pasa pang third na backslap na dislodge na pala. Pero hindi nyo chine-check, pero hataw ka pa din ng hataw. Kaya importante po yung pag-check every slap. O yan. So, if unsuccessful, hindi pa rin lumabas, ano pong gagawin? Pinadiscuss kanina. So, continue, give abdominal thrust in a straddle position. So, tignan niyo po yung position ni Sir Joby. So, medyo pabukain natin yung pasyente. And then, insert one foot dun sa gitna ng paa ni victim. And then, slightly bend the victim forward. Ayan. And then, yan. Kaya tayo nag-straddle position in case na maging unconscious yung victim natin. Supported tayo, hindi tayo kasabay ng pasyente na mahuhulog. Tapos, put both arms around the upper abdomen and clench one fist. Grasp it with the other hand and pull sharply inwards and upwards. So, yung dito po, sa pagitan ng xiphoid process at ng umbilicus. Tapos, yung kamay is nakatago yung thumb. Tapos, magkakaroon ng flat surface. So, yun yung nakatouch dun sa tiyan ng pasyente. No, kasi kapag nakalabas yan, so may buto dito, so masakit yun. So dapat nakatago po. And then support by one hand. Then pull sharply inwards and upwards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So every abdominal thrust, i-check natin. So after 5 abdominal thrust, wala pa din. Ano pong gagawin? Continue.
4, 5.
Wala pa din. Kailan lang po tayo titigil?
Successful or unsuccessful.
Kapag nailuwanan niya, na-dislodge, or naging unconscious yung victim. For example, si Ma'am Ashley naging unconscious bigla. So sa lahat ng pasyente, either CPR yan or choking, kapag naging unconscious, ano pong gagawin? Lay flat muna, tapos call for help. So, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. Madalas pong nakakalimutan yun. Sa lahat ng pasyenteng naging unconscious, lay on a flat surface, safe na surface, and then call for help.
Ma'am, nakakulay po siya, pink. Pwede po ba kayo pumunta sa malapit na hospital, magdala ng idiot pag-balbas at bumalik po kayo sa akin.
And then, do not confuse yung procedure po natin sa CPR at saka choking. So, ang term po na ginagamit natin sa choking is compression, hindi po CPR. Okay, so ilan po yung compression? 30. Sige. Merong cycle? Wala.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ang hin-hin naman ito, rescue.
13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So after po nung 30 chest compression, open the airway by using head tilt chin dip maneuver and then observe nyo po yung oral cavity. Kapag visible po yung foreign body, finger sweep. So sa case ni victim, hindi pa visible, ano pong gagawin? Continue chest compression. Ilan? 30. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Check for the oral cavity. Visible na siya. Do the finger sweep.
Naka-double gloves na po.
Then carefully remove the gloves inside out with the foreign body in. And then immediately change a pair of gloves. And then after po nun,
Check.
for the pulse and breathing. Positive pulse, negative breathing. Merong pulse, walang breathing.
Rescue breath.
Ayan. So dyan po papasok yung countings
Ayan na.
natin.
So use your pocket mask kung available. What if hindi available ang pocket mask? Ano gagawin? Cloth lang ang gagamitin natin? O ima-mouth to mouth natin siya?
Depende.
Kung pamagana kaya. Okay, pero kung hindi, anong gagawin? Ima-mouth to mouth pa rin natin? Sige, tingnan natin bukas.
Sa adult po, ilang rescue breathing? Yun na just
20
to 24. So, ang
Upward.
interval nun is 5 to 6 seconds. So, bukas po, huwag nyo nang sasabihin yung breathe. Ibugan nyo na lang po ng gano'n. So, since 5 seconds yan, so, yun na yung breathe nyo. 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,001. 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,002. Sige.
Starts with breath, ends with
Breath.
Okay, so for demonstration purposes, babasahin ko yung ano. Gagawin natin yun nasa table of specifications natin. Ay, table natin na ginamit. So starts with breath, ends with breath. So, breathe, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,001. Breathe, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,002. Breathe, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,003. Breathe, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,004. Breathe, 1,002, 1,003,
Kunyari, 23 na.
1,023. Breathe, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,024. Breathe.
Yan. So, starts with the breath and ends with the breath. After po ng rescue breathing, anong gagawin? Check for pulse and breathing.
1,003, 1,004.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. Recovery.
Restoration team, recovery position. So yung ginawa kanina recovery position nila Ma'am Ashley at ni Sir Jan. So after recovery, anong gagawin?
Assess.
Do your secondary assessment. Kung ang nature of illness natin is choking, anong mga assessment, secondary assessment ang gagawin? Secretions, ano ba? Check your patients. Vital signs. Ano ba? Sir, wala po akong pang-BP, tsaka pang-temp. So, ano ba yung mga check? You can check your RR in 1 full minute and your cardiac rate or pulse rate in 1 full minute. Okay, then, kung kanina check nyo, kung gising naman na si patient, you can interview your victim. Kumustahin mo yung pasyente. Okay? Gagamitin mo ba yung BCAP BTLS? Hindi. Kasi hindi naman trauma yung pasyente.